Let's get to the weekly options alert. We have a lot to talk about with Alan Knuckman of Agora Financial, starting with your market talk. What do you see happening here?
Well, this is earnings week, and I'm going to spell it W-E-E-K, because that's what it is. We're having a strong week so far. Let's see if we can get some follow through, and that's going to boost stocks. It's fundamental fuel for feeding this fire, this rally that we've seen here recently.
Checking your WPI trade trackers, how is PayPal doing?
Well, everything's sitting around break even for our older positions right now, which is a good thing. That allows us to ride through the ups and downs. We still have some time on it. Looking at PayPal, we almost took our profit. We have a target in there to take 50% profit. It did get up to 95. That's the highest it's been. So those are some new highs. But since that time, it's backed off a bit. We still have a week and a half. So let's see if it can take another swing. We're holding 90 pretty well.
Right, because that's a trade that you just put on last week.
Right.
But some of the even older trades would include GE.
Yeah, GE's going nowhere fast. Stuck at this $9 level. Now, it's been in a range between, looking at about 75-cent range here. So if it can break above $9.25, then we're looking at about $10. So that's what we're looking at. Staying steady right now. I still think GE could have a nice, healthy bounce.
You have AMD in play, and earnings just came out last night.
Right. We were this close to taking profits on half our position. Our target almost got hit, not quite when it got high on Friday. It's holding above this $20 pivot. Now, the initial reaction to the earnings was a relief rally and positive. So let's see if we can make another push above 21.50. A push above 22 hits 24. Again, we've got a little bit of time here.
Taking a look at your WPI trade trigger, going to the financials.
Once again, banking on America. Now, we've been here before. Last year at this time, we looked at Bank of America. It's got a great setup. Smart money's going into this bank, and so we want to track along with them. Right now, I'm looking at the March 28 call. This is a stock that's traded between 33 with its high down to 23. So 28 is this midpoint level that we can lean on. And I'm looking at a March option. The March option has 45 days of time because it's an inexpensive stock. I can buy more time. And if we get back up to this 29.50 level, then we could be looking at 32.
We'll see if that happens. And before you take off, your trading floor takeaways.
Number one,
gold.
Go gold. It's been a long time. So gold is closing in. It closed above 1,300 for the first time since June. And in the big picture, we're trading between 1050 and 1350 for 5 years. So a push up to 1350 could really get that market going.
Zero move euro.
It's interesting. We haven't been talking about currencies much at all.
Right, except for the pound with Brexit, but
right.
No one's really talking about the euro lately.
Right, it hasn't had that much
true.
of an impact with all of the potential, news that's been, driving the market there. It's been trading between 114 and 116 now for the last 3 months, bottoming out. So let's see. We had a key reversal in the dollar a couple months back. A continued dollar decline and a euro rally helps out the overall stock market.
And then last on your list, it's all about Apple.
Absolutely. So Apple's a big component, obviously. The S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ is a barometer. The options market had priced in about a 5.5% measured move. It looks like we're having a little bit of a bounce to the upside. So their earnings there are going to be helpful for a relief rally, I think, for the overall market. This could be the tech takeoff now that Apple has stabilized and moving higher.
You said it here. We have you on tape.
Tech takeoff.
I like that. We'll see if that happens. I hope it does for you. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.